Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today I'm over at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda, and we are previewing the Summerville model by Lennar. The Summerville is part of the Manor line of homes that Lennar puts out. It's a 3-bedroom plus den home, almost 2,500 square foot. You get a 3-car garage with this home, and it's got a really nice great room design. So let's walk inside and take a look at this awesome floor plan by Lennar. So when we walk into the home here, we're going to start on our left-hand side. Got this nice entry area here, but directly to the left is going to be the first guest bedroom, which in this model the developer has used as an office space. But it is a true bedroom with the window and the bifold closets. This is right off of the guest bath here that you're going to see with the single sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower there. Now coming out into the entry area here, you're going to have your true dedicated den here. It is a true den, so there is no closet, but really nice size space here. And then directly behind me here, you've got a hallway, and this hallway leads to the garage entry with your laundry here, complete with the utility sink. And you have guest bedroom number 2 here with your coat style closet right there with the bifold doors. Nice size space here. But the unique thing about this bedroom is it comes with its own bath. So you've got the single sink, the commode, and standalone shower here as well. So really nice ensuite option here with the Summerville. Now coming back out into the main area, this is where you're going to spend most of your time here. And you've got this huge great room here with the Summerville. Really nice size space here. So your kitchen, you're going to get a full appliance package. You've got the corner pantry here. You've got your wall oven and microwave. Off to the side here, you've got your dedicated dining area. And this all looks really nicely over the great room from the kitchen here. Always part of the conversation. Great for entertaining. So let's go across here and see the master suite. Again, really nice size master suite, almost 2,500 square foot of living space in this home. That's a king size suite, just for perspective there. And then we have the master bath, which you walk in, and this thing is huge, folks. You've got separate vanities on each side. You've got these huge walk-in closets. And then you've got this enormous shower here. And last but not least, you've got your water closet here with your commode. Now, turning our attention to the outside living space here on the Summerville, you've got a really nice size under truss area here. You also have the sliding glass doors that lead to your master. Nice 6-top table, outdoor kitchen. This model here is equipped with the pool package that you can get with Lennar. And the Summerville offers a nice outdoor living space, plenty of room out here for entertaining and living that Florida lifestyle. All right, folks, so this is the Summerville floor plan. You can find this floor plan at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida's communities. If you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. Folks, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.